My today's video is an art-based DIY. I have done acrylic painting on canvas board. Hello guys, I'm Shobhuri from Hooked in Looks. Welcome back to my channel. I've used canvas board and it costs ₹40 at first. Attach masking tape and draw the outline, and then we will directly start painting on it using acrylic paint. I have done abstract painting in this DIY video. This is a scene from the Ramayana. See, I am applying a thin layer of paint on top of the canvas board at first, and then slowly we will build the colors and do all the shading and add the detailings. So you can proceed in this way. I hope you will like the end result, and I will meet you at the end of the painting. our painting is nearly complete, we will take out the masking tape and do the detailings of the border. Add white color to the border to make the line straight. If you want, you can add other colors to the border too, like I have added red and yellow, and it is looking perfectly beautiful. I hope you like this tutorial and it was easy for you to follow. If you like this tutorial, then please hit the like button, comment in the comment section, and also mention if you want to see any other kind of videos. Thank you, have a great day and subscribe to my channel.